Hello?
Oh my God, dude, I am sick of constructs.
Yo. Yeah, can you veto this map? Yo, if any of you can help me, I need the Mongoose Mowdown challenge.
Have you by any chance lost your kitty?
What?
Well, I have her. My grandmother Rogers taught me how to answer the phone.
Alright, dude, thanks. Cause, like, I've been trying to get it, and, you know, took me
Are there things that make you angry?
Wow, that doesn't really help this map.
Yeah,
What do you do when you're angry?
Map.
Because, I mean, I remember that sheet.
Do you have ways of showing you're angry?
What's up?
Hello?
I do.
Have you by any chance lost your kitty? Well, I have her. Some people call it a steel drum.
Okay.
Did you talk with the people you loved last night about the things that you wonder about? Well, when you're wondering about something, you can always ask the people you love about it.
Likes you.
Hello?
Nobody likes you.
Hello?
Like, who doesn't like me?
Do you know who I am?
Yes. Said, you don't like me.
Yo-Yo Ma.
You're my mother?
There are no such things as real monsters.
I like that show.
Did you talk with the people you loved last night about the things that you wonder about?
I wonder about whether you're going to be inside me or not.
What would you tell Lady Elaine if you were talking with her right now? Hello?
Mellow music, man.
Hello?
Oh, hey man, how's it going?
Yes, hi.
How's it going?
Have you ever seen anybody play the game called soccer?
Black Power.
You're the coach, aren't you, for the team? We've come to learn about soccer. When I first heard about that game, I thought that people were socking each other.
It's the lamest thing ever.
Did you talk with the people you loved last night about the things that you wonder about?
You guys want to hear the lamest
I
thing ever?
think you must want 1, 4,
It's my
3,
fucking
6,
birthday,
8,
and my
7,
girlfriend
0.
calls me up, and she's like, I'm breaking up with you.
Yes.
And I was like, what the fuck, it's my birthday.
You know who I am?
I'll tell you, girl, like,
Mr. McFeely.
all I need is dick. I'm sorry.
They probably felt really good after they had talked with her.
Holy shit.
Are there things that make
my
you
heart is
angry?
ripped out. I can't handle it anymore.
What do you do when you're angry?
I think for guys.
Do you have ways of showing you're angry? Ways that don't hurt you or anybody else?
Fuck you.
There are no
Fuck
such
you.
things as real monsters.
Fucking Courtney.
I was just making some popcorn. The important thing to remember is that there are many things we can do when we're feeling angry or sad or happy. Many things that don't hurt ourselves or anybody else.
Like what?
Have you by any chance lost your kitty?
What the fuck?
Furry and brown.
Yeah. I I'm here, and I'm just like throwing my head off, and I'm like, if I lost my kitty, what is your freaking major malfunction?
Well, I have her.
Oh
Did you ever hear of a musical instrument called a steel pan?
Fucking off, Mr. Rogers, fucking off.
Sure, everyone gets angry sometimes.
Listen, man, I don't need your 4th grade advice. I know how to handle myself.
Joe called and said that there was a man here who had some wonderful horns.
Dude, nobody's laughing, okay, man?
My grandmother Rogers taught me how to answer the phone.
I don't need this. I need this, man.
I think you must want 1436870.
No, I don't. Why? I even know it's like a freaking Mr. Rogers, but oh my.
Yes, I'm just going to feed my fish and then I'll go out and wait for you.
You are the Antichrist, my friend. You are the freaking devil in like a Halo uniform.
No.
Yes.
No.
Stop it! I'm talking to you.
No. What would you say to her?
What would I say to her? I would tell her to like stop being a cunt.
I don't like to see people hurting one another, but that's not what the game is.
What is the game? What is the game, Mr. Rogers? Enlighten me.
Have you ever seen anybody play the game called soccer?
What?
When I first heard about that game, I thought that people were socking each other.
Wow, nice wordplay there, bud.
Have you ever had a checkup?
Have I ever looked at a chicken? No,
Have you ever had a checkup?
What?
Did any of it hurt? Did you see how many sticks I brought today?
One second. Hello? Oh, man.
Yes, hi. There are no such things as real monsters.
She like gives me a card and then she's like closes my heart. That's fucking retarded.
I remember one time some of our neighbors who were studying ballet dancing got dressed up to look like raccoons.
Listen, please my throat. I'm trying to talk to my buddy here, okay? My heart is kind of...
Can you find the cat? Well, I have her. Furry and brown. See you then.
Pal, you would need a serious, like, attitude adjustment. Like, if somebody's here sad, you don't go and you don't find, like, a freaking soundboard and try to coax the mess together.
Yo-yo mom.
Mid backflip, I'm just putting shell.
Oh, I'm glad you called.
That's how it goes. I am glad I can leave.
Yes, I'm just going to feed my fish and then I'll go out and wait for you.
Yo, dude, thanks for giving me free headshots. Peace.
Yeah. Sure.